Intangibles and Stories category on the Culture Compass is a great tool for learning about the history and stories of Vancouver's North Shore. This category features neighborhood history, stories about early developers in the region, natural landscapes that have changed over time, and modern-day narratives. We encourage you to explore an area to learn about the North Shore's neighborhoods and their unique characteristics. For example, in Lower Lonsdale you can learn about the ferry system that linked the North Shore to the South Shore of the Burrard Inlet. Did you know that there has been a ferry service for over 120 years? Pop-ups feature an image, detailed description, reference, and where available, a link to a website or social media channel. In many cases, links will take you to the original image where additional information can be found. By navigating, you can learn that one of the old ferries was turned into a floating restaurant and that there was a women's workforce at the shipyards during World War II. This category is full of fun facts. Your neighborhood is a place of history, stories, and inspiration. There's so much to explore.